Welcome to this in-depth review of the Gekko trading bot. If you're looking for an automated way to trade cryptocurrencies, Gekko is one of the most well-known open-source trading bots available. It allows you to automate trading strategies, backtest them, and even connect to live markets. In this review, I'll take you through its features, setup process, and overall user experience so you can decide if it's right for you. First, let's talk about what Gekko is and why it's so popular. Gekko is an open-source trading bot designed to work with multiple cryptocurrency exchanges. Unlike many paid trading bots, Gekko is completely free, making it a great option for those who want to experiment with automated trading without financial risk. It supports backtesting, live trading, and paper trading, so users can test strategies before risking real money. Setting up Gekko is straightforward, but it does require some technical knowledge. You will need to install Node.js and follow the setup instructions available on GitHub. After installation, Gekko provides a web interface where you can configure strategies, connect to an exchange API, and monitor trades. While the UI is simple, some users might find it lacking in comparison to premium bots. One of the key features of Gekko is its backtesting capability. You can load historical market data and test different trading strategies to see how they would have performed. This is extremely useful for traders who want to fine-tune their approach before deploying a strategy in live markets. However, Gekko does not support high-frequency trading, so it's not suitable for scalping or rapid trades. Now, let's look at live trading. Once you configure Gekko with an API key from your preferred exchange, you can enable real-time trading. The bot will execute buy and sell orders based on your strategy settings. While this automation can be powerful, it's important to note that Gekko does not include advanced risk management tools like stop-loss or take-profit mechanisms by default. You'll need to manually configure strategies to incorporate these elements. Many useful links can be found in the description, so be sure to check them out after watching this video. Another notable feature of Gekko is its plugin system, which allows users to extend its functionality. You can integrate additional indicators, notifications, and even machine learning algorithms. However, since Gekko is no longer actively maintained by its original developers, updates and support are limited. This means that while the bot is still functional, future compatibility with exchanges could become an issue. Compared to other trading bots, Gekko stands out as a great learning tool for traders who want to explore automation without spending money. It's ideal for those who prefer an open-source solution and are comfortable with basic coding. However, if you're looking for a bot with extensive features, active support, and a more user-friendly interface, you might want to explore paid alternatives. Overall, Gekko is a solid option for those who want to experiment with automated trading, but it does come with some limitations. If you're willing to put any effort to configure it properly, it can be a valuable tool. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more trading bot reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.